Hello, SolidWorks user. Shaheen is here. Today I'm going to demonstrate the first part from the second task. And here we start with part number 1. First, I bring the dimensions for that shape into SolidWorks. So here we start a new part. The unit has to be changed to millimeter gram second. And first thing is, in one of these planes, we start a sketch. And in the sketch plane, just copy the dimensions which I need. So first, I notice that this shape has a plane of symmetry. And the plane of symmetry is that front plane here. So from there, the dimension which I need is a rectangle, and the width of rectangle is 22 plus 35 plus 13. That's the total of 70, and the height is 75. Okay, so that is the basic bounding box of this symmetry plane, and I need to extrude that. Let's finish that sketch, and now I extrude that by only half of this total depth, which is extrude, and that is 102 divided by 2. All right, now I made a solid block. That solid block is like so. First thing, I just want to make a cut extrude of the first step here, and that I need to start a sketch sitting on this plane. So this plane, and I do a hand-free shape here, just going from here to there, and then to here, to there. So this hand-free shape, I need to add dimension to it. The dimension of the top edge is 57, and the dimension for that edge, that is 75 take away 13. Or I can simply add this dimension here as 13. And then horizontally, the distance between here and there, it has to be 22. And that line from the bottom edge, it has to be 32. Okay, now we got the shape we needed for cut extrude. All right, so let's finish that sketch. And now this shape, I need to have this one extruded cut, and the depth of extruded cut is 22. 22 cut inside, and that is starting from mid plane. Let me change that to blind, so now it's right. 22 mil inside the block. But then we notice that this plane here should not be rectangular. This is a triangular thing. So easy way of doing it is to make a new sketch which is resting on this plane. And now I construct a triangle which does the cutting. So that triangle goes from here to there, to here, to there. And that is all I need. Just go to the feature, pre-select the sketch, and have this one cut extruded through. Make this through all. Now, we got the first step created. How the second step can be done? The second step, I can create a shape on this plane, and that is a triangle. Let me change the view of this shape to the wireframe so I can see through it. The next sketch I need is on this plane, and that one starts from here and goes all the way to this line here. All right, now this sketch is being done. Let me have this one cut extruded by, so cut extrude by half of 32. So here I make that one blind, and that is 32 divided by 2. All right, so we made a half of the shape, and then what I need is to activate mirror. So here I go to mirror. What I want to mirror, that's a, well, um, let's make a solid part, and then we mirror everything from there. I select this bus extrude and have this one mirrored. So the mirror face is front plane. So that is the bus extrude, and it has to be mirrored with respect to that plane here. All right, so that is bus extrude. And then I mirror the cut extrude by selecting the extruded cut, going to the mirror. And again, the mirror face or plane is right here. And finally, we want that cut extrude to be also mirrored. And the mirror plane is here. So the last one is that cut extrude here, which is the third one. Selecting this one, going to mirror, and that has to be mirrored with respect to that mirror plane here. Just do it again. I select this feature and mirror with respect to this plane here. All right, so that is, we managed to create this part by making half of that and making the rest of it as a mirror. Of course, there is other ways of making the very same part. That's not the best way of doing it. Feel free to do it the way you like, and I hope this presentation helped you with completing your task. Talk to you soon. Bye.